Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE DK10 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. If you have the same problem as mine, you try search your game as Mobile Legends games and you don't have it there, you must go back to the main menu of your smartphone and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental control. As you can see, now I have PG3 visible our application. As Mobile Legends games, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe PG16, confirmed by other stored and save. We can also turn off all our parental control and we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!